What's up, guys? How you doing? Today I'm doing a video about recapping, and this is what we're doing. We're using recap. So this is the first time I'm using it, and I just put it on yesterday, and this is how it's gonna look today. Before you put it on, of course you have to power wash it, you have to prepare it, you have to go all through the process, with the power washing. After you power wash, and then you put tape on the joint, if you can. If you cannot do, because yesterday was windy, and I had to put it on without tape. It was too windy. Like you can see over here, on this one, we have to use a little bit of seal. This kind of seal because it was a little crack. So this is what we're using for small crack, this seal. And then for bigger crack, we're using this one over here, that one. So over here we use the ready concrete patch. Like this, right here. So this is the way it's supposed to look when it's done with the seal. And I will show you when I get done how it will look like. So right now I'm getting ready to seal it. So I'm just giving you an idea how many bags you're gonna use. Don't start with 2 or 3 bags, it's not gonna work. Because at the beginning I bought like 3 bags. No, it wasn't working. So I need 13, not 3. So like I said, again, this is 68 by 18. And we use 13 bags of this. Okay guys, we did the seal on this one. We put the seal, the one that we were talking about, right here. That one. We put in the seal protector. One of these gallons costs about $118 or $125. I think it's around $118, one of these 5 gallons. The waterproof with the roller sleeve, like this with a handle, but it looked like I was using a lot of materials, and that gallon costs about $125. These 5 gallons over here, the 5 gallon that you see over here is about $125 or $118, 1.5. And I was using a lot of material, and I said, forget it. I already put a lot of material with the recap, like around $28 per bag. So I said, forget it. I'm gonna be putting a lot of material on the seal. So what I started doing it, I spraying it with this. And you can see the difference. Over here is already wet, and this is dry. And the way I'm doing it with this, I know it's a little exercise, but this is what I was doing, trying to save money. So what I do, I go through one edge like this, like that, like so, one way, and then move back the other way. So it's about 2 times. And then on the other side, I go the same. I go 1 time this way, and about 2 times that way. So I keep going this way, and then come back and forth. So it's same with this one, back and forth. And then in the middle, I just go like so. I'm doing it like 2 times, whatever it is. You just gotta look that it's wet. Okay, that's all it is, that it's wet. But I save a little money with that, doing it that way. I didn't have the electric machine today, so I had to do it the way I'm doing it. I didn't have time to go and buy more materials or more machines, so this is the way I'm doing it. And it's working for me. I keep changing hands so I don't get too tired with one hand. But that's the way I do it. I keep rotating hands so I don't get tired. And keep moving angles. You see that? It worked. You did this one, Yana? Okay, this is already done. So we're done. I'm done. You see that? Didn't take that long. This is the sprayer that I used today. Like I told you, I was going to roll it, but I quit rolling it because I was wasting too much material. So we decided to do it with this sprayer that we have. We have two, so we are two working, and we did it an hour and a half. I'll show you on the video to save money and not doing it with the roller sleeve. I didn't have the big sprayer, the machine. I tried a small machine, but it didn't work out, so I had to do it with this. So 1 hour and a half, not a big deal. So I'm going to show you right now the tools that probably you don't know what to use, but I will show you right now what tools do we use. Okay, 24-inch dual blade squeegee. Okay, that's what I use. Where did I buy it? I buy it at Home Depot. And how much it costs? I forgot. How much it cost, Joe? I don't know. I give it at $30, something like that. Anyway, this is what you need. And then you need a broom. This broom is only like, how much it is? $20?
Yeah.
I don't know, about $20.
With the stick.
With the stick?
Yeah.
Yeah, stick and this is about $25. I bought the stick low and this Home Depot. But anyway, this is what you need. You need one of these. Simple one. I know they have one that they cost like 50, 60, 40, but I didn't find it. So we bought this one at Home Depot, about 20, 25. And the squeegee at Home Depot. But this is really what you're gonna need, one of these, okay? Because I tried to use something else and it didn't work as good as this one. I tried to use, but it didn't work as good as the squeegee. Okay, so don't go for this, okay? Don't go for this one. You need something like a rubber, like a squeegee. I bought this one too. This might work, but this is for a small job. So I did not use it, okay? That one. So the main one, what is this, those two. This is the main one for recapping. Of course, you're gonna be using other tools like this one. You know, you're gonna be using another tools, but if you don't have the money, you might probably end up you might need one of this. Okay. So these three, do it. Okay, yeah, these three can do it. But if you're gonna be doing some, if you're gonna be patching holes, this is what I use for patching holes. If you're gonna be patching holes, that's all I needed. Okay, that's all I need for patching holes. That's all you need. Okay, you don't need the whole tools like we have over here. That's all you need for patching holes. And I already told you what we use for patching holes.
Ready mixed concrete patch.
Okay, this is what we use for patching the holes. Ready mix what?
Concrete patch.
Okay, ready mix concrete patching. And this is for the small gaps like you see on the picture. We use it. Concrete crack seal. Do they work? Yes, they do work. But also I put the seal to protect it over it. So we resurface the driveway, and as you see in the video, we put the seal on top of it. And today, what day is today? Friday the 16th, right?
16, yeah.
Okay, today Friday 16, 2021. I'm gonna make a video in the next couple of years or months and see how long it's gonna last. That will be the second video, because this is the first time I'm using recapping, that kind of material, and it looked like it's good, but time will tell. Am I okay like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so the video was about, no, okay, the video was about recap concrete resurfacer. Does it work? It looked like it is strong. Do I recommend it? Maybe yes. I can say probably we can use it. That's all they have on the market. I mean, this is one of the materials they have on the market. There are other materials on the market, but it is more expensive, more time to do it, because there is another way of doing it. Before you put the recap, you can seal the concrete, but that's a lot of work. And also depend on the weather. So to go cheaper, that's what I went. I just went for the recap and then seal on top of it. This is a video about using just this. Okay, this is the video just using just this. The recap concrete resurfacer. And I believe this will do the job by itself. And I was talking about that I also put the seal on top of it. If you don't want to, you don't have to put the seal on top of it. But what happened is this. I was thinking about putting the seal and not doing the resurfacer. But then I changed my mind and I did the resurfacing. And then since I already bought the seal, I put the seal on top of the concrete, on top of the driveway to protect it, because the seal is waterproof. And you know, when we're talking about waterproof, it protects the concrete. The video it is about using the recap. Okay, so you can use just the recap. You don't have to go through a lot of adhesive or a lot of stuff. What I did is just use the recap concrete surfacer and the concrete patching. That's all I did. And I seal it because I already bought the seal and I put it on. How much I wasted? I bought a 5-gallon bucket and this is what is left over there. It's almost what I use on this job. It is about 4.5 gallons sealer. And like I said, this costs about $120, the 5 gallons. Okay guys, to finish the video, I'm just going to tell you, we did the recap concrete resurfacer, and we use these two tools over here. And for patching, we use the concrete patching over here, and these two tools over here for the patching. And this is the sealer that we use at the end, and this is the water sprayer that you see on the video. So that's it for the video. And this is a 68 by 20 feet driveway, and we use about 13 bags of this. We use 13 bags and one 5 gallons of sealer and 1 can of patching. That's all we use. So thanks a lot for watching the video. And how much the price is? The prices for the recap is about $28 a bag. The prices for the sealer is about $120. And for this patching is about $15. And for this broom about $20. And for this one, I think it's another $20-25. So thanks a lot for watching the video, and see you in the next